I get kind of attached with these books and working on them with you, and it's just sort of sad when we get to the end. I mean, it's happy. It's mostly happy because it's a big accomplishment, but it's kind of sad too because it's the end of an era. All right. Page 34. Let's do number 2 together. Numbers 1 and 2 both will not be lines. When you have an exponent in a linear, when you have an exponent in an equation, it is not linear. And we'll find out what happens when you have an absolute value in an equation. Since this is, let's see, it goes up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes up to 9. I'm going to try to use relatively small numbers because I want to get as many points in as I can. Since it's not a line. With a line, you only need 2 points. But when it's some other shape, it helps to have more points. I'm going to start with 0, and then -1, +1, -2, +2, -3, +3. How about that? We'll see how that works. I may go back and make some changes. I might want to do a 6 or something. Ooh, you know what? I want to do a 6. How about I'm just going to keep going because I think it would be kind of cool to see what all it does. Let's do -6, +6. Oh, that is not a 6. That would be, I don't know, a 5 maybe? All right, so the absolute value of 0 is 0, minus 6 is -6. Now, obviously, the absolute value of both -1 and 1 both make 1. The absolute value of -1 is 1. The absolute value of +1 is 1. So instead of wasting my time doing these separately, I know they're going to have the same answer, the same value. So the absolute value of both of these is 1. 1 minus 6 is -5. The absolute value of both of these will be 2. 2 minus 6 is -4. This is interesting. The absolute value of both -3 and 3 will be 3. 3 minus 6 is -3. And of course, the absolute value of both 6 and -6 is 6, and then 6 minus 6 is 0. That gives us some coordinates to work with. I'm eager to see what this looks like. The first one is 0, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second one is -1, -5. The next one is 1, -5. Okay, it's interesting. Then we have -2, -4, +2, -4. What do you think so far? Take a moment and plot your points so that they match mine so far. Just go ahead. I'll give you a moment. And if I don't give you enough time, feel free to pause this. You've got a nice screen where you can pause it on or you can see them. So next we have -3, -3, +3, -3. It's like sort of like a point. -6 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. +6 and 0. Wait, hold on. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. This is not a parabola. It's like it's an angle. 2 straight lines. With parabolas, with this, you will not need a ruler. You can't really use a ruler when it's rounded. This, however, you do need to use a ruler because this is a straight line. It's 2 straight lines. It's like you've got an angle. One of my favorite things about teaching math is all that I learn. It's fascinating. down here, let's do these. Draw a line with the given slope and y-intercept. Then write the line's equation. All right, so slope and y-intercept. Okay, so y-intercept is 4. We'll start with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope is -2. Remember, that's going to be -2 over 1. So we'll go down 2, 1, 2 over 1. Got that? And now, let's connect these. And we'll write the equation. All right, so y equals slope -2x, this is +4, plus 4. And you can do the rest. On number 3, you're finding the slope. Number 4, you're doing the same thing as here. And you're graphing a parabola and not using a ruler. And when you finish that, you're done with this book.
You did it! You're the best ever! Yay! Congratulations to you, you brat!